Okay, here. I was gonna say he-ho, ladies.
You were gonna say what?
I was gonna say he-ho, ladies. Hello, ladies. Here I am with a gorgeous turquoise springy color, springy summer. So this is our Maureen Tunic. I think we made it twice over the past years, and we've had a lot of requests to bring it back because it's a no-brainer in the summer. In a hot summer day, this is what you grab. So we did it in 3 different colors. I'm wearing the turquoise. We have the coral. And we did it in a darling, I love this cute little black and charcoal gray print, little seersucker fabric, and yeah, it's lovely. We will do separate videos on these 2 different colors, on how to style, how to pair with what. So today I'm wearing it with the turquoise leggings with the pull in the back, bamboo viscose, amazing, great length, just above the ankle. And we also did our famous long tanks, which we usually brought in black and white. We now have them in the turquoise, so you can layer. It feels like you're all put together well. We do these appliques on the Maureen Tunics, and this one we stitched with chartreuse. Pop of color, it's subtle, but it's there. And then I put on the amazing necklace from the Brazil line. It's a new line that we're carrying. The colors are exquisite. It's an amazing piece. It's like a piece of art. One of our clients pointed out the other day that you can manipulate the stones to have different colors show, which I thought was quite clever, and I didn't know about it, but yeah, so this is a resin. It's light. It might look very heavy, but it's quite a light necklace. A little bit more about the design, actually. We have these little tabs on the sleeve, so you can cuff the sleeve or you can have it like that. It's not functional, so you cannot make the sleeve longer, but this is a great length, just above the elbow. And of course the pockets that we love so much, and fitted here, a little bit of a stitching detail on top. And then it goes out a bit, so it gives you lots of room around the hips. So this is the hanky linen, which it will wrinkle, but it's a look, and it's very cool in the summer. It's great. Wash cold, hang to dry. You can iron it for the ladies that like to iron linen, but other than that, you can pop it in the dryer for the last fluffing up 2 minutes, and it will be ready to put on. So a different look with the Maureen Tunic. This is like a little, I would call it a bohemian look. I really like it. It's a lot of layering going on, but it's really, I like it. It's kind of a funky look. So again, the Maureen Tunic and the bobby skirt in the chartreuse that we just got in, and I'm wearing a small in the skirt, extra small in the tunic. And this is an amazing necklace from our good friend Irina. Irina, I miss you, and I will call you soon. Yeah, she's very creative, as you can see. And this necklace also, you can make it shorter and longer. So that's always a really nice feature. So I feel cool, I feel comfortable, and I think I look pretty snazzy. Another look, ladies, with the Maureen Tunic in turquoise. Teamed it up with our tank dress, Lousje Bean tank dress. We got them in the turquoise, coral, and black. The fabric is amazing. It's a bamboo viscose, so it's a blank palette, really. You can team it up with so many different things. And we have been showing you over the last year, ever since we started to do videos, on what to do with the tank dress. And a lot of you have one and love it. So we decided to bring it back in color for the summer. And this is it. I think it looks amazing. The detail in the back, of course, is the clue. It's the piece de resistance. And you really have to pull in, you know, this is what I like, this look. You have to pull them tight so that you get this little accentuating your tush in the back. And this little, so it's not like a straight a straight baggy look. So yeah, the Walking on Water Warrior scarf from Love's Pure Light, which I always seem to grab because I find the colors in this scarf are amazing with most everything, and especially with this turquoise outfit. So maybe a little dressy, but yeah, it depends on what you like, right? I would wear this everywhere, really. Okay, I hope you like this segment. You've got some ideas. So again, you can see it's all about the layering, right? Keep on smiling, ladies. Bye-bye. Thank you, ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women.
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.
Bye.